Hi friends. Recently, Honorable Supreme Court has ruled that conviction under Section 138 Negotiable Instrument Act can't be sustained when after the complainant and the accused arrived at the settlement agreement. So once they entered the settlement agreement and have paid the full amount as per the settlement agreement, then the conviction under Section 138 can't be sustained. This ruling has been under the case of Jian Chand Garg versus Harpal Singh. So once a complainant signs a compromised deed, once complained that's a compromised deed, acknowledging the receipt of the full settlement amount, and then conviction under Section 138 that's can't be sustained. So Supreme Court set aside an order of the High Court which dismissed an application filed by the accused seeking alteration of his conviction based on the settlement arrived at with the complainant. So allowing the appeal, the Honorable Supreme Court has ruled that once the complainant has signed the compromise deed accepting the amount of the settlement amount of the default. So the proceedings under Section 138 Act can't hold what? Exact what. So therefore, the conviction under Section 138 as rendered by courts below has to be set aside. So Supreme Court setting aside the order of the High Court and acquitting the appellant accused, the court taking into account the beneficial provision of Section 147 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, which makes the check dishonor offense a compoundable offense. So Section 147 that deals with that offense under Section 138 is a compoundable offense, and by taking the beneficiary provision, the Honorable Supreme Court has ruled that once the parties, the complainant and the accused, has arrived at a settlement compromise agreement, and the complainant has received the full amount of the settlement amount, then there is no question of conviction under Section 138. To get more information, please subscribe.